So teeth are part of our face. They affect our ability to smile, to speak, to chew, to be confident. Many people avoid to smile or even going out just because they lack confidence. The moment we help them by restoring smile, we give them a new life, a new chance to enjoy every day 100%. Implants bring confidence in so many ways, in every aspect of our lives. Implant is replacement for missing tooth, but it's much more than that. If you think about it, let's say you're going out for a dinner with your family, or you're going on a date, or you wanna just hug and kiss your loved one. You wanna enjoy that moment, and you don't wanna have a fear of losing your teeth, being embarrassed, or you just wanna cherish that moment and forget about teeth problems. Implants are something that is not only making your smile better in an aesthetic way or functional way, it makes your life much more better.